Let me show you 2 amazing DIY hacks using these Dollar Tree gift boxes. With a little creativity, you can turn them into a stunning home decor with just a few dollars. Have you been to Dollar Tree lately? In the floral section, they have these new onion grass stems. The grass blade is much longer and is more realistic than in the past. So when I came across them, I knew exactly what I wanted to create with them. I really like this one that has this reddish brown tip to them. For my project, I picked up 5 of them. So with my project in mind, I headed to the gift boxes and I picked up one, this one here. The first thing that I needed to do is paint my gift box. I removed the lid because I was only going to paint the bottom section of my box. And I'll be using this spray paint in the color Sand Dollar. As I started to paint my box, I noticed the paint was not giving a smooth finish. That had never happened to me. The finish had texture to it, which was weird. I'm not sure if it's the cardboard on the box that was creating that or it was the paint. I'm only telling you this in case you decide to create this project and now you know. The paint is now dry and this is how it turned out. I really like the finish with that texture. I was surprised that it turned out that way. I'm going to create a stand for my gift box using these blocks from the tumbling block game. You can find these at Dollar Tree as well in the toy section. These blocks come in 2 different colors, the natural wood and the dark wood. I'll be using the dark wood. And here are the blocks that I'll be using. I'll be using 2 blocks to start off and I'm going to create a T just like I'm showing you right there. I'm also using my square to make sure that it's aligned straight and it won't be crooked. I'll be using some hot glue to attach them together. Now, it would be wise to use wood glue, but I'm impatient and I wanted to hurry up and do this project, so that's why I used hot glue. I need a total of 4 T's, so I'm going to create 3 more. Okay, now I have my 4. I'm going to start by now adding 1 block to each side of my T and I'll be hot gluing them as well. And this is how it turned out. I have only 1 short block going up and down and then I have the 3 that create 1 long bar. I'm going to repeat the same steps to the other 3 T's. Now I'm ready to attach the blocks to my box. I'll be hot gluing the short block to the bottom of my box as I'm showing you right there. I'll continue gluing the rest of the blocks as I go around the box. And for reinforcement, I added a generous amount of glue to the center where the end of the blocks meet. And now I have this cute plant stand. I'm going to add 2 pieces of floral foam to my pot. Next, I'm going to go in with some moss. I think it would look better with some rocks, but I didn't have any, and that's why I'm using the moss. I started by adding the grass, but I quickly realized the stem was way too long, so I had to trim it down. But then I decided it was better to remove the paper wrap and take it apart so that I could add each small bundle separately. I still had to cut about 2 inches more so that I would get the look I was trying to achieve. In total, I used 4 grass stems of the 5 I had purchased. For this project, I'll be using 2 of these long cylinder style gift boxes. Dollar Tree has new peel and stick wallpaper. I'm going to use this one here for my project. I really love these gold leaves. They look so pretty and so classy. I will also need a pack of removable picture strips and 1 push light. I'm going to start by removing the lid and remove the center portion of the lid using a box cutter. Next, I'm going to apply some hot glue around the bottom portion of the lid and place it back on the cylinder box. Next, I'm going to apply the peel and stick wallpaper around my box. I trimmed off the excess paper and then I smoothed it down. I'll also be adding this push light. It takes 3 AA batteries. It comes with a stick-on tab. I'm going to place it inside my box as I'm showing you there. I'm going to press it down to make sure that the tab adheres well. This is what it looks like with the light on. I'm going to use one set of the removable picture strip and place it along the side of the box. In case you haven't guessed, I created a lighted sconce. But I'm not finished yet. For the second box, I followed the same steps as the first, but for this one, I'm creating a wall vase. So I'm going to add a piece of pool noodle to act as a floral foam. Then I'm going to add some moss. And then some spring florals from Dollar Tree.